Let's walk through how to reset or restart a Samsung TV. So here we have my Samsung TV. It is the newer UI. So the dashboard looks like this. So the first option for restarting or giving your TV a soft reset is using the remote control. And here, your power button, just press it and hold it. Keep pressing, keep pressing. And it should turn back on. There we go. Let it load back up. And there it is. And this is what's called a soft reset. So if you're having some issues, a lot of times just doing that will fix it. Now, if you don't have your remote, what we can do is actually unplug the TV. And when we plug it back in, make sure that you're hitting the power button on the physical TV, right? Like, I can't do this because I don't have enough hands, but I would plug the TV back into the wall and at the same time press the button on the TV for the power. And that is essentially the same soft reset that we just did with the remote control. Now, if you're still having issues and you are ready to factory reset your TV, what we need to do is, again, get your remote or your phone if you're using the SmartThings app. And we're going to run over here to the settings. And in settings, we'll just go all the way over to support here. There we are. So we are in the support menu right here. And the first option, check to see if you have a software update. If you do, run that update, see if it fixes your issues. Now underneath software update, there's device care. If you open this, it's actually just going to do a real quick self-check. And this might help if you're having issues. You can see that my status is good. I do have one issue. And my brightness reduction is on. So I guess it's saying that's an issue, which is interesting. But again, check to see if you have any issues there. Now for the factory reset. So for factory reset, we would actually have to take one step back and go to the general and privacy section. And here in that menu, scroll all the way to the bottom. You'll see the reset option here. If we select that, put in your PIN if you have one. I don't think I do, so it should be 000. Yep. And then if you proceed, you'll lose all your information. So this is definitely like a last resort type thing. Unless you're selling it, then of course do as what you need. So I'm going to cancel this, but that's how you're going to factory reset the TV. That's all I got for you guys. I hope it helps. If it does, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.